Good morning from a very sunny Morecambe. We left the Lake District this morning and we thought we'd stop off in Morecambe. Never been to Morecambe before, have we?
No.
We're going to have a walk along the front, discover the pier, and at the moment I'm having a mini habit of finding statues of famous comedians who are no longer with us.
Guess who? Guess who we're going to find in Morecambe?
Well, if you're from the UK, you're gonna know. This statue is of one half of a double act
Oh.
who were hugely famous in the 60s and 70s.
Oh.
Many famous comedians have said they were inspired by this individual. And he was just a very funny chap.
And they had a little famous song to go with their double act.
Yes.
And we could do with a bit of what they sang about right now, couldn't we?
Bring me, yeah, that one.
Sunshine.
So we'll enjoy our tea and then we're going to explore. So we're near enough at the top end of Morecambe seafront. We're going to walk down, or anti-clockwise, Morecambe Bay is a haven of bird life, boasting a diverse array of species drawn to its rich and varied habitats. Shame this is fenced off. It's quite a nice mosaic. So the Lake District is over there, and if you're wondering the name of all the hills over there, you only need to step back a few feet. Spotted opposite as well, Eric's Cafe. That's cool. Well, we hope you've enjoyed our walk along Morecambe Front. If you have, hit the like button, leave a comment, and if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. We shall see you on our next vlog. Bye for now.